Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Lord-Alge's parallel compression trick. Lord-Alge is a famous sound engineer who has been working with such great bands as Bon Jovi, Green Day, Papa Roach, and many more. So today we're gonna be taking a look at his parallel compression drums trick, and in our original video CLA didn't use any plugins, he used only analog gear, and first of all he used his NIF compressor, and to be more specific he used NIF 33609 compressor. So he used the next settings for his compressor: threshold around 0, recovery around 100. In his original video CLA said that gain doesn't matter, so it can be around 0 or it can be around 8, and ratio is 2:1. And also CLA said in his original video that he doesn't use stereo link because, as he said, using stereo link will make your drums sound even more mono. So in my today's video I'm gonna be using IK Multimedia T-Rex compressor, which is the IK Multimedia version of NIF compressor, and here as you can see threshold is around 0, recovery is around 100, gain is around 8, but again according to CLA it doesn't matter, and ratio is 2:1. And also we're gonna be using fast attack. So in original video NIF compressor goes to CLA analog console. For EQ settings of his drums parallel compression trick, CLA did plus 3 dB around 8 kHz and plus 3 dB around 60 Hz. So first of all, let's have a listen to our drums without parallel compression. Now let's have a listen to our drums with parallel compression. Now let's have a listen to our drums with and without parallel compression. And finally, let's have a listen to our parallel compression only. So, by using this trick, you can make your drums stand out in any mix. If you want to learn from Lord-Alge all about mixing, you can check out his courses on Mix with the Masters and Pure Mix. All links will be in the info box of this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.